Hello everyone and welcome. We are discussing syllogism, and now in this video we will talk about the fourth concept of syllogism, which is a case of complementary conclusion. Now remember, in case of complementary conclusion, your answer and complementary conclusion should exist between indefinite reasons. In case of complementary conclusion and indefinite reasons, the answer is always either or. Okay, and in case of syllogism, there are only three type of or three pairs of complementary conclusion. Now what is the meaning of complementary conclusion, how to find it out, how to solve this question? Let's understand all this stuff with the help of the questions directly. Now see, this is the question. It says some artists are player. Okay, so artist and player. Now some artists are player, that is why this intersection is definite reason, and remaining part of artist and remaining part of player is indefinite. The next statement is some players are healthy. So you will draw an intersection between player and healthy like this. So this part, this reason, intersection of player and healthy is definite. The remaining part of player is indefinite. The remaining part of healthy is indefinite. Now, see, in this particular question, you can simply observe point number one. You can observe that no direct information is given between artist and healthy. No direct information is given between artist and healthy. Okay, and in the diagram also it was possible to draw artist and healthy separately from each other like this. So what will we do? We will draw a doubt line between artist and healthy. We will draw a doubt line between artist and healthy. Meaningly, we cannot draw any relationship between healthy and artist directly or indirectly. Okay, so condition number one. Now condition number two, we can create a doubt line. We can create a doubt line between artist and healthy. Condition number three. Now let's solve the conclusions. Conclusion one is between artist and healthy. I can see between artist and healthy we have a doubt line, and conclusion is between artist and healthy. Doubt line is between artist and healthy. That is why conclusion one is not valid, because we have drawn a doubt line between artist and healthy. Nothing is given directly related to artist and healthy in the statement. That is why we cannot draw it. Now conclusion 2, some artists are healthy. In conclusion 2 also it is between artist and healthy, and we have a doubt line between artist and healthy. That is why conclusion 2 should be invalid again. Okay, now the third point is, in this case we proved both the conclusion invalid individually. We have proved both the conclusion invalid individually. Okay, so see, condition number one, no direct information. Condition number two, doubt line. Condition number three, conclusions are invalid individually. Now condition number four, after it, when you proved both the conclusion invalid, if you pay attention to both of these conclusions simultaneously, see, no artist is healthy. If it is wrong, then some artists are healthy should be right automatically. Or if you say some artists are healthy is wrong, okay, then conclusion 1, no artist is healthy, should be right automatically. Now these are complementary conclusion. The conclusion which contradict each other are called complementary conclusion. So question, see, no direct information between artist and healthy, doubt line between artist and healthy, conclusions were between artist and healthy, and finally we got complementary conclusions are between artist and healthy. So these four conditions are justified in this case. That is why the answer of this question should be either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. Okay, now this is your first pair of complementary conclusion, where conclusion 1 will be like no A is B, or conclusion 2 some A are B. So this kind of pair is called complementary. Now in this question, instead of A we are having artist, instead of B we are having healthy, instead of A we are having artist, instead of B we are having healthy, or they can change their places also. It can be like conclusion 1 can be like some A are B and no A is B. So if you see this pair in the conclusion, then you can say this pair is a complementary pair. This pair is a complementary pair. Okay. In case of complementary pair and where these three conditions got justified, your answer will be either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2. Okay, let's move on to the next case. See, it says no pen is pencil. No pen is pencil. No pencil is paper. No pencil is paper. Now, see, condition 1. No direct information between pen and paper is given. So, doubt line. So, we will draw doubt line between pen and paper. Draw a doubt line between pen and paper. Now, condition number 3. Doubt line between pen and paper, conclusion is between pen and paper, invalid. If there is doubt line existing between two subjects, we cannot draw any conclusion between them. Conclusion is between pen and paper, invalid. So, invalid, we have proved conclusions invalid individually. We have proved conclusions invalid individually, right? So, 3 conditions got justified. Condition number 4, see, no direct information between pen and paper, doubt line between pen and paper, invalid conclusions between pen and paper, and also these are the complementary conclusions. Complementary conclusions are there between pen and paper. See, if you read these two conclusions simultaneously, they will contradict each other. So this is one more pair of complementary conclusion. So 4 conditions got justified. Your answer should be either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. Okay. So this is the second pair. Only 3 pair of complementary conclusions are there. The first that I just discussed. Now this is the second pair, where construction will be like some A are B and some A are not B. In this case, instead of A, we have pen. Instead of B, we have paper. Instead of A, we are having pen. Instead of B, we are having paper. So the combination of some A are B and some A are not B in case of conclusion is also a complementary case. So this is the second complementary conclusion. Kindly mark it down. Okay. So we'll talk about the next in the next video. Till then, thank you.